This is Janice Arbo, a retired OFW and a mom of two beautiful children and a successful digital business owner and a mentor who found a way to earn without sacrificing my time with my family. So I started this journey full of doubts. But with faith, consistency, and the right system, everything changed. Now I enjoy to work, the freedom to work anytime and anywhere, while making a meaningful income. So guys, if you're tired of the daily grind and looking for a way to create time and financial freedom, we're here to help. Let's make it happen together.
Hello world! How are you? Kumusta kayo? My name is Gladys, a proud nursepreneur from North Dakota, USA. I'm blessed to be married to my wonderful husband for 24 years now, and together we have 3 amazing boys. I came to the US 9 years ago in search of better opportunities and future. Over time, I realized that with more resources, I could give more and help even more people. And this sparked a dream in my heart, that is, to create an additional source of income beyond my fixed salary. I prayed to God for a solution. Then one day, God answered my prayer. I discovered a digital business in affiliate marketing that operates 24/7 with a plug-and-play system, fully automated to work even while I sleep, anytime and anywhere. While I continue my work as a nurse, my business runs on the side.
Guys, my name is Angel. I'm 28 years old and I'm currently working as a server here in US. I've been working for so many years, always standing for long hours and laging nag-push through exhaustion and even sacrificing my time just to make ends meet. Ang katawan ko'y pagod na. My mind was strained and I felt like I was stuck in an endless cycle of work, eat, sleep, and repeat. Alam kong kailangan ko ng pagbabago. I wanted freedom. I wanted to earn without feeling overworked. I wanted more time for myself and for my family as well. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano. Until I found this digital business. And finally, everything's changed. Now I work smarter, not harder.
Hello, Bev here. People call me PB or call me Pastor Bev. Alam nyo, being a journey of this business is a journey of growth, blessings, and healing. And that is the core of the things that I am doing, no? Sabi ko nga, no, nung nag-join ako rito, hindi ako komportable, no? And being uncomfortable is actually a sign of growth, no? Doing something that is beyond doon sa what you can think and imagine, and sometimes that's what faith is all about, no? You do things beyond what you can think and imagine, and that's where you can see the blessings. So sometimes don't be afraid, no, to go in a journey of growth, and we know that the growth there is a blessing.
I'm a firm believer of time is gold. I have been working since 16 years old in the law firm while studying my bachelor degree. Then I became an OFW. Another chapter of working in Dubai while working to side hustle. And then I became a wife. And then I became a mother while working. You know, one thing I realized, that my life is not supposed to be working all the time. I neglect the simple things that matters the most. Nag-work ka, nakatali ka. So many birthdays are being moved to celebrate kasi weekdays. So many kids' appointments are being moved kasi naghahabol ka ng deadline sa office.
So joining this business, my biggest why is really taking a huge step to step up, to stop chasing time, but chasing dreams and purpose.
All right. Hello world. Kumusta kayo? How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the part of the globe. I hope everybody is happy and healthy. God bless you all. Tonight, the Believers team are here and I'm excited. I hope you stay tuned and listen for more. Marami kayong matutunan tonight. And we are going to present to you the benefits of online or digital business that we have found out, and it's changing lives. Yun ang aming inspiration for this moment. So without further ado, I would like to present to you, we have 3 guests tonight. And first, I would please help me welcome our young striver. Please come in.
Hello! Hello everyone! Good afternoon here in US and good morning over there in Philippines. How are you guys? Thank you for watching our live stream. And oh, by the way, my name is Angel and I'm the young striver of this group. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jen. So,
You're welcome. Hello.
that's our
Tito
young guest.
Gladys.
Hello, you look so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Ano bang nagpapa-inspire sa'yo? Ang dami.
Dami. Especially nitong business na to, hindi...
So, that's our young.
Nakakaganda. Nakakaganda. Nakakaganda yung business.
Nakakabata.
Nakakabata. Tsaka, hindi ka masyadong sobrang stress dito kasi alam mo na yung benefits. Basta nakakabata siya.
Okay, so before we dive into the benefits of this inspiration natin ngayon, this online business, let's all welcome our pastorpreneur. Welcome! Sana yung ating drum roll? Pastora Bev!
Hi. Hello. Welcome,
Hello,
world. Ayan. Thank you, Ate Gladys. What a wonderful day to every one of you. Nakita ko marami nang nanonood. Ayan, oh, grabe. Okay. And we are so happy na you are here with us. Yan. And napakaganda po ng aming talk today. Siyempre, kasama ko po ang aming mga team, Nurspreneur and the Youngpreneur. Amen. Yeah, thank you po and what a wonderful day. I hope po stay all throughout our episode. I believe marami po kayong matututunan. Especially, we are right now in the digital world. Ayan, nakita natin ang world natin ngayon. Eh. Ito na eh. So, sabi nga natin, ang digital world, walang kinalaman ng age o walang kinalaman kung marunong ka o hindi. Whether you like it or not, you will go through this. So, let's go a journey on this and on this world and at the same time, make a benefit of it. That's why we are here for us to understand yung digital world and applying it in our very own businesses. Ayan. So, again, thank you po. Please stay tuned and keep inviting. Thank you, Gladys.
You're welcome. That's our Pastora Beverly in the Philippines. And yes, we are global. And once again, we welcome yung mga viewers natin. Feel free to write down your comment down and we will try to answer it or what your thoughts are. You are welcome. And of course, the last but not the least is our mompreneur of this Believers team. Welcome!
Hello world! Hello online world! Talagang online world na. Wow, amazing.
Yes.
Imagine we are in the 4th episode and the topic is getting, beneficial,
Interesting.
more interesting. Yeah. So yeah, this is Janice again. I'm the mompreneur of the group. Please guys, stay tuned and engage with us. Let us know where are tuning from so we will know how global we are. Nako, nandito na yung anak ko. Nakatakas sa bantay niya. So yeah, that's that's the beauty of digital business, working with the family, right? So yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
And please be with us. Let us know where you are tuning from so at least we know how global we are, right? Thank you, Ate Gladys.
Yes. Thank you very much. So, marami pa kaming mga kasamahan, mga business partners in this group. Meron sa Dubai, but busy sila. So, but someday, guys,
Yeah,
mamimit nyo rin
we'll
sila
have
dito.
exactly.
So, we are here tonight para sa pag-uusapan namin. We're going to discuss about the benefits of this business, why it gives us inspiration, bakit kinikilig si mompreneur, and
Mhm.
bakit nagpapabata kay Miss Youngpreneur,
Mhm.
or nagpapaganda sa kanya,
Exactly.
nababawasan yung stress. Okay. Yeah. So, ano ba? Ano bang meron sa digital marketing na ito? Ano bang meron sa online business na ito? So, the fact na online to, ibig sabihin, gagamit ka lang ng cellphone or laptop mo as long as mayroong signal, which is, I believe, siguro almost all ng tao sa mundo ngayon ay gumagamit nito. So, why not take advantage of that? Instead of nag-scroll ka lang na lumilipas yung
Mhm.
oras mo, take
Mhm.
advantage of it. Earning while you're scrolling your phone or your iPad. Okay? So, ano ba talaga ang mga benepisyo nito? If you're interested, stay tuned and listen and learn for more. Ah, si Mompreneur. Feeling ko marami to
Yeah.
siyang mai-share sa atin. Nagpapaganda sa kanya,
Oh,
nagpapa-inspire at
popular.
nagpapakilig, second sa kanyang husband.
Oh, yeah.
Ano masasabi mo?
Excited. Napakarami ate. Ngayon, bibigyan mo ko ng limit. Kasi kagaya ni Pastora Bev, lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin, saglit lang po, konti lang. So, napakarami. We have, tatlo lang ba? Okay. So, sisimulan ko na.
Tatlo lang.
Okay. Kasi hindi ako titigil eh. Napakarami naman talaga kasing benefits nito. But I will choose the most in the top three. Right? For me is the work-life balance, right? So having this digital business with the system, with the tools that we have in this community, with the community that we have, with the knowledge, with the people that we are surrounded with, right? Imagine mo nagagawa mo yung negosyong to even though together with your kids. Yun ang na-enjoy ko eh. Every time like though I have this lots of things to do kasi ngayon lumalaki na tayo, right? So nagiging global na talaga. We will have in UK, we will have it somewhere out there to be announced soon, very very soon. So ang nakakatuwa lang dito, it will not limit me to take care of my kids. Yan kasi ang pinaka primary ko, being at mompreneur and being in the in the house all the time kasi syempre ako na yung nagmamanage ng mga households and all, whereas na medyo bago sa akin to, but then having with the system and everything, imagine I can manage everything well except sa pagluluto. Aaminin ko wala ako niyan. But together with my family is go na go. Though I'm traveling, it's possible as well. Basta meron tayong wifi, meron tayong laptop, meron tayong cellphone. Even the cellphone, everything will do. Right? So, nababalance ko na yung mga bagay na hindi ko nagagawa before nung ako ay nagtatrabaho. Of course, unang-una doon, halimbawa, yung pag-aalaga mo sa sarili mo, right? Nakakapunta na kami ng gym. Iba kasi pag may time freedom. Iba talaga kapag mayroon kang, um, you know, uh, time management, kumbaga. Then, ang flexibility. I can work anytime and anywhere. Kahit nasa travel, kahit na may mga commitment, kahit na sandamakmak ang mga, kasi tumutulong din ako sa husband ko in a way sa aming company dito, sa company ng mother ko dito sa US. So, I still have that time managing that and at the same time managing my business with taking care of the kids. Gaano kaganda yon, right? Hindi basta-basta yon. Next, ang masasabi ko pa siguro yung supplemental income, right? To be honest, it is more than, way more than sa aking corporate income. I used to be working for more than 18 years sa Qatar, sa Dubai, pero hindi ko pa naranasang sumahod ng day after day after day or minsan twice a week. You know what I mean? Minsan walang pinipiling araw, 'di ba? Pag ang pagkakaiba kasi ng talika sa trabaho, you will need to wait, I don't know, 2 times a month, but usually ako ay once a month. Pero dito sa digital business natin, we are even allowed to get an envelope even every other day, right? So with the system, with the training that we have, and with the opportunity na makapag-share tayo nito sa iba't ibang sulok ng daigdig is a win-win for us, right? So those are my top 3. And also I want to add one more. One of the benefits that I really love in this, aside from those 3, is yung pwede mo siyang ipamana, right? Sa mga anak mo. For me, malaking factor yon that all efforts, all times, even though 2 to 3 hours ko lang ginagawa to in a day, come to think of it, any achievement na makukuha mo dito sa digital business is pwede mong ipamana sa anak mo, right? So kung nagtatrabaho ka,
Wow.
pass it down to the kids, indeed, right? Yung makukuha mo lang doon, time will come, mauubos. Pero yung na-appreciate ko dito is possible tayong mag-income for a lifetime. And that lifetime income is also, you can pass it down to your kids. So one of the, parang, actually yun ang pinaka nakaka-attract na nag-aano talaga ako every day, that I'm doing my best kasi parang, this is not only for me and this is not only for now. This is for my kids, for actually 4th generation siya kasi generational wealth talaga to, right? So, yeah, saan ka makakahanap ng ganong klaseng pagkakataon, ganong klaseng opportunity na pwede mong ipamana even until 4th generation. So, nakaka-excite every day. Parang before, I hate doing my job. Parang gusto ko lang gawin dahil sa trabaho ko siya. But now, I love doing what I do. Gustong-gusto kong gumigising sa umaga at nakikipag-usap sa mga tao, nalalaman ko yung mga story nila because you have to engage with the people. We work this business actually is people to people, right? We're doing business people to people, not selling any products, not doing shipment, not doing this, normal traditional business. We're not doing that in here. What we do here is letting the system, letting the tools do the 90% of the job. And then we will just supply the 10% of the job. That is just, attraction marketing or posting. Yun lang talagang ginagawa natin. So, for me, dahil use naman na akong ginagawa yun by day, I think since maliliit pa tong mga anak ko, talagang nasa Facebook na ako at nasa online na ako parate, why not na pagkakakitaan natin, di ba? So, instead na pa-scroll, do this for your kids. Do this for the future, right? Kasi I have seen a lot of people, families in this community na wala silang kung titingnan mo 3 jobs, paano nila ma-handle to? But with our amazing system, with our amazing mentorship program na lifetime mong makakasama yung mentor mo kapag mayroon kang katanungan, may maggagabay sa'yo. For me, that's very, very important, right? Especially to those people who doesn't have a business background like me. Wala akong kaalam-alam sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo, right? So para sa akin, it's a win-win at full of benefits talaga ang negosyong to. Maraming pamilya na sa community natin na nakita natin at napag-aralan natin na talagang nagbago na yung buhay. Now, I can say that including mine. I really claim it that this is it and this is for our group and our group is getting bigger. Regardless, busy ka, Angel is working how many hours, Ate Gladys, but still we can manage because of the amazing training that we have here, amazing system that we have here. So yeah, we are having lots of benefits. So for me, yun ang pinaka-top. Actually, 4 yung binigay ko. If you want more, I can give more. Napakarami naman kasi talaga.
Give a
We will do more lives. Huwag
Yeah,
ka mag-alala, mompreneur. But actually, meaty na masyado. Talagang substance yung binigay mo ng mga benefits, no? Sa
Oo,
mga, lalo pa sa mga mom out there.
Um,
Kung ito'y nakakapukaw ng inyong mga natutulog na mga pangarap sa buhay,
yeah,
or if you want change, like when
Exactly.
you're just staying at home, you want more time. Yun ang sinabi ni
time talaga.
Mompreneur, ni Miss Janice.
And
And
that's
if
what
you,
we
kung tututo kayo dito sa screen namin, yeah, there's may mga under sa pangalan namin, mayroong mga website that you
website.
can check. Kung gusto ninyong, you're interested to find out the details of this business. Okay,
Exactly.
guys,
That's
we cannot just contain. There's more.
Yeah,
There's more.
Dagdag ko pa
yeah.
ha, one of the best here
Yes.
is I realize there is only one thing in this life that you can never get back. Ano yun?
I know. Sabihin mo
Time.
na.
Right? Time.
4 na letter yun.
Oo, yung time na yan, ngayon ko siya nai-enjoy. Ngayon ko siya nakita. Although before I was just really dreaming, ngayon it became my reality. So paano ako hindi gaganda? Sabay ganun. Paano hindi ka magiging masaya? Paano hindi ka may inspired, right? So meron na ako ngayon yan. So time
Ibig
is
sabihin, hindi
really-
ka lang kinikilig doon sa mga sobre na dumarating?
Nandun na. Kasi alam mo, yung husband ko talaga
Plus
kinikilig doon. Yeah. Look. Actually, husband ko talaga ang kinikilig doon. Kasi syempre, ako hindi naman ako masyadong mapagbilang. Ako, for me, time I think, talagang yun ang ini-imagine ko everyday, nagigising kasama yung mga anak at inaalagaan. Kasi ang dami kong napalagpas ng mga milestone nila when I was still working. So, yeah, I just, I can just...
Pakita mo muna yung nagpapakilig din sa'yo na isang benefit nito.
Yeah, ito yung isa sunod.
Ano ba yan? Mga papel?
No, actually dito sa US kasi we're receiving checks, right? And but some countries like Philippines, it's direct deposit sila. Well, dito kasi sa atin
That
sa
is the
America,
commission, tama po ba? That's the commission.
yeah,
We
mas
via
safe
checks.
kasi
Just
yung
to let everyone know.
Oo, correct. So, dito kasi pati sa Amerika, mas safe yung America at Canada lang alam ko na nag-i-envelope eh. Hindi pa kami, medyo old-fashioned pa, no? But anyway, mas nakakakilig siya kasi what you need to do na, right? Hindi mo naman na kailangan pumunta ng bank eh. You only need your mobile. Kasi nga online na lahat, right? So kung ikaw ay wala pa ring sa digital, kumbaga hindi ka pa rin nakakasunod, mapapag-iwanan ka na. Kasi even the bank, noon nakikipagpilahan ka pa para lang mag-deposit. But right now, you can just do it online, mobile deposit. Picture the check and then submit and then it will go to your bank.
Yeah.
Same as the business natin. We don't need to spend
Wow,
a lot of time talaga para dito sa natin, sa negosyo natin. Let the system
So
work for
everything's-
you. Just 10%.
Yeah,
and
everything
that's it.
is made easy na. Everything is made easy. And yun na nga,
Ngayon ko
kung
lang
hindi
na
ka
ano
kasi
yun,
magka-catch
ngayon
up
ko
o
lang na
pag-iwanan ka dahil
aha,
ngayon mo lang nalaman. Okay.
exactly.
Yeah,
Ngayon lang ako
but ang
nagtutulong sa
dali.
mga
It's
ano,
easy, guys. So yeah. So dinagdag
napaka
lang kanina 4 na letter lang yung ano, time. Pero maliban sa
actually
time,
kasi
of course, you need to have the
ikaw,
financial freedom to achieve the time freedom. So,
exactly,
yun yung goal natin is time freedom and ang ating vehicle is financial freedom.
financial
So,
freedom.
I think everyone needs
Yeah,
that. Walang exempted.
that
Alright. Maraming salamat. Bago maubos lahat ni Mompreneur ang mga benefits, let's listen. Pakinggan natin. I'm so excited. Pastora Bev from the
Yeah,
Philippines. It's so early there
yeah.
right now.
Yes, good morning here. Ayan, good morning po here and I am so happy to be with my business partners here. Thank you, Ate Gladys. Thank you, Miss Janice. Ayan. Si Miss Janice, that's why I'm here. Okay? So just to let every one of you know, no, kasi iba-iba yung context talaga natin in this ano. Kumbaga iba-iba yung hugot natin. Ay nasabi nga ni Miss Janice yung hugot niya. Sa akin naman talaga po the reason why I would like to be part of the digital world. First, kasi nga po, alam niyo pagka ikaw ay isang nagmi-minister katulad ko, isang pastor, kailangan talaga namin on season din kami. Kung ano yung season, katulad ngayon, sa kanila yung introduction natin kanina, greeting, welcome digital world, hindi nila world eh. Digital world na talaga kasi yung mga tao, to be honest, nasa cellphone.
oo.
Kaya, may kami message lang sa akin, nasa live ho ba kayo? Okay. Nakikita na, nasa live ba kami? Nandiyan kayo sa ano, no? So, and one of the reason talaga, sabi ko, sige, I would like to be part of this. First is learning. I mean, I'm learning new things. Ano po. Although, yung sinabi ni Miss Janice, lahat yun okay din sa akin. Yun din talaga yung ano ko. Pero siguro add more is I'm learning new things. Isa sa mga hugot ko po talaga is to connect to the new generation. And one of that is, syempre dapat part ka ng isang community na ano rin yun, dinidevelop ka. So, may ano siya, may ibang development siya sa akin, ano, itong to be part of the digital business. Nakita ko may ano siya, may mga edge talaga siya. Edge in a way na, na magbubukas sa'yo ng ibang klasing mata yung, in how you see things. Kasi napakahalaga nun no? I believe yung blessings ng Diyos sa buhay natin depende kung gaano kabukas yung mata mo. Kasi katulad niya, kahit sabi mo digital. Kung di naman bukas pa rin yung mata mo, digital ka nga pero naka-close eye ka, nandun ka na sa season ng digital, pero marami pa rin takot. Pero ang dami nang nabe-bless, ang dami ng ano, pero mga iba, nandun na sila, pero close pa rin yung mata. So, I think one of the reason is that, siguro I thank the Lord, God has opened my eyes, ano. Kasi, so to be honest, na ano po talaga, na inaano rin ako, kinakabahan din ako. Ano ba itong tama ba itong mga gagawin ko mga to? Tama ito, mga sasalihan ko na to. Kasi, ano po yan eh, kaya nga, yung sa una nating, yung last episode natin, yung episode 3 natin, di ba po? Sabi ko ako talaga, nung may tinanungan ako, naku, lugi ka ba dun sa ginoinan mo? Babalik yung pera mo. Sabi mo sa akin magkano. Ganun ako eh, kasi I believe na yung integrity napakahalaga nun, lalo na sa amin na we go to the pulpit, we share the word of God. Napakahalaga sa amin nun. So, this is, blessing na lang talaga yung resources. Kasi, syempre, kailangan natin yun. Blessing na lang talaga siya. Pero kasi sa akin, I'm more like it because parang, nagkakaroon ako ng ibang pagtingin in the way I minister to people. At saka the way din ako, the way din ako talaga na, sabi nga natin, dinideal yung world. At doon ko rin na-realize, nakaka-connect ka sa mga kabataan. Kasi tingin nila, yes, cool. Cool ka na. Ano kayo cool eh? Yes, cool ah. So si Pastora, talagang
Yeah.
so natutuwa ako kasi syempre iba yung tingin nila. Parang na nakakatuwa. Pero ang one of the thing din talaga is I love talaga yung freedom. Talagang gusto kong malaya. Ibig sabihin, sa klase ko, hindi ako pwedeng nagpapatay. Ibig sabihin po sa isang ano. Actually, kaya kanina, dalawa yung cellphone ko. Dahil may business din ako, message na ng message yung staff ko. Ano kasi meron kaming project na ginagawa. Teka lang, sinend ko yung ano, nasa live ako ngayon. Sabi niya, siguro ano pinaggagawa nito? Ang dami na nga nito ginagawa dito. Nagjo-join pa sa mga kung ano-ano. Pero that's the joy of yung freedom eh. Alam niyo, ang joy ng freedom, you have an options to do things what you want and what you like.
Mm-mm.
Yun yung power ng digital. Ibig sabihin, pwede kong gawin kung ano yung gusto ko kasi I'm the boss of my own. Nobody tie me. Yun ang gusto ko dito. Kasi, hindi sabihin, walang magsasabi sa akin, oh,
Yes.
nasaan ka na, ganyan. Katulad yan. Bagamat, sabi ko, boss din ako dun sa ko. Pero, hindi ako nakatay. Eh, hintayin mo ko dyan. May instruction na ako sa'yo kahapon. After ng survey, instruction ko na siya eh. Pero di niya kasi alam na meron akong mga extracurricular, which is this, This is actually a side hustle. But, kami ko, ba't ko nga siya nilalaban? Kasi, first, I enjoy it. And first, I'm learning. Diba po? Sabi natututo ako eh. Tapos, yun nga, feeling cool ka eh. Nakakabata ka. Wala na ako dun eh, di ba? Oh, yeah, yes, di ba? But at the same time, I want to be free in the things I want to do. Ayoko nung masyado akong tinatay, ganyan. Kasi naniniwala ko, ang rich na tao, yung may option siya. Ibig sabihin, pag wala kang options in life, kailangan kong magtrabaho. Kasi wala kang option, we are poor. By the way, poor pa rin ako. Kasi may mga bagay na kailangan ko pa rin gawin. Kailangan ko itong gawin, wala akong option eh. Parang gano'n eh. Kaya, I'm doing the things that I'm doing. Kaya nga sabi natin, money is not the problem. The problem sometimes is yung add ng resources. Kaya totoo yun, nung nag-join ako rito, isa rin siniisip ko yun, sabi ko, God, I really need extra resources. Pag nagko-quench kami ng number, laging parang Lord pa negative. Hindi naman kami nane-negative, pero parang Kumbaga sa tubig, nandito lagi yung tubig, nasa ilong mo na, konti na lang, lulubog na kami. Parang konti na lang, baka hindi na kami makahinga, sabi nga. But I really like this. This is the side hustles na natututo ko. At the same time, I felt freedom. I felt I'm the owner of my time, the owner of my I mean I have an options. Hindi ako masyadong nape-pressure. Parang sabi lang ni Miss Jan, okay lang yan. Make your own time po. Sure. Pero napaparinig din eh. Okay, pag nagsagot ako, sige, make your own time. Di ko lang alam kung yung make your own time na yun eh. Medyo, hello, gumawa ka naman ng konti.
Oy, PB, wala naman.
Hindi.
Nagre-remind lang.
Hindi, tama. Pero I really like it, But in a way, it's really, it's more of that is the power of freedom I have in this digital business. Siguro yun lang. Parang ang dami ko rin sinabi. Thank you, Ate Gladys.
Napakaganda. Galing.
Ang ganda. O, di ba? So, sa mga viewers natin dyan, nakaka-relate ba kayo? So, this business is not all about money.
Yeah.
Most of this is about freedom. Nakadalawa na yung freedom. And so, if may mga question kayo or naku-curious kayo, you can comment and leave your comment. And I would like to shout out for Kayla. Hi, dear. She's watching. And yep.
I want to shout out also our business partner, si Renaline, watching from Texas.
Hi, Renaline.
Hi, Renaline. Kailangan namin makakasama dito.
Yes, sama ka.
Doing her website, and she's gonna jump in and you're gonna fly as well like us. Very soon yan.
Okay. Season na process. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, ang daming eye-opener. Marami akong natutunan doon sa mga sinabi ni Pastora Bev. Like, yeah, true. Totoo naman. Yep, oo nga, hindi lang nagtitake care si Pastora ng spiritual life sa mga kabataan at saka mga hindi na masyadong kabataan. But also, nakaka-inspire din siya, nakaka-influence din siya na hindi lang yung mga secular na tao ang makikinabang nito, even yung mga taong nagsiserve sa Panginoon. Yay! Thank you, Pastora. And now, yung ating pinakabata at
Grabe na,
nagbo-blooming,
ano na ako, nabalik na
ang
ako na
young
sasabihin.
tenor. Help me welcome Angel.
Go, Jel.
Hi guys! Thank you for watching.
Go,
And-
Jel, go!
Oh, wait lang. Yung asawa ko nandito.
Introduce mo ba yung husband mo? Hello!
I was gonna go take a shower. So, ayun nga. Parang feeling ko nasabi na nila lahat yung benefits ng digital business na ito. So, same lang din para sa akin kasi ano din ako, server ako, 'di ba? So, yung time freedom talaga. Kasi, 'di ba sa trabaho, laging puyat, pag-uwi, tapos, pagod ka sa buong araw, mag-deal sa mga customer. Pero sa digital business na ito, yung time freedom mo, pwede mo siyang, igawin kahit ano oras lang yung gusto mo. 'Di ba? Kahit saan mo pa gusto siyang gawin, pwede mo siyang gawin. Tapos, yung isa pang beneficial nito is unlimited income potential. So, sa akin, sa work ko, fix yung salary namin. So, kahit mag-overtime ka pa or gaano ka pa kapagod, kung ilang days ka pa dyan magtrabaho, wala siyang bayad. So, hindi ka tulad dito na the more effort na i-put in mo sa pag-training, sa hanap ng leads or kung sino mag-join sa iyo, the more din yung beneficial para sa business mo, 'di ba? So, ano ba yung story? Nasabi na. Tapos, isa pa ako.
Sabi na lahat?
Oo, nasabi na. Pero sa akin, also, less physical work dito. So, alam naman natin kung ano ka-demanding yung mag-work ka sa hospitality industry. Hindi lang sa na-server ka, kundi pati sa mga doon na nag-work sa hotel, at saka kung saan pa sa bar or like restaurant, yung job talaga super demanding siya. Like buong physical mo talaga magagamit mo sa pagtatrabaho. Pero dito sa digital business na ito, yung masasabi ko lang, kasi to, automated system. Hindi mo talaga kailangan na maging andyan palagi, hindi mo kailangan ng physical work. Kasi na siya automated na siya. Pwede mo lang gamitin yung cellphone mo, laptop mo, at yun lang. Mag-share ka lang. So, para sa akin, madami siyang beneficial para sa akin. Like, personal growth. Nag-learn din ako ng paano mag-do ng marketing kahit wala akong business background. Paano mag-leadership, learn how to,
diba?
The leadership, at saka, pa nga yun, yung,
yes.
Magka-financial management kasi dito tinuturuan ka kung paano gawin yung paano magdo ng taxes mo. So wala talaga akong alam na sa mga ganyan. So marami ka talagang matutunan sa digital business. So time freedom, no physical work, at saka yung may income potential. So, at saka marami pa, personal growth. At saka yung iba nasabi na din nila. So, yun lang yun, mga benefits ng digital business.
Parang kagaya, Oo.
Parang same lang din para sa akin.
Nag-o-overlap
So,
din
one
yun.
day kung napagod na ako sa pagtatrabaho, um, pasalamat talaga ako na nagsimula na ako ng digital business bago pa yung kasi nga online world na tayo, 'di ba? Hindi natin alam kung in 2026 yung katulad ko, papalitan na ako ng robot. 'Di ba?
Exactly.
Hindi mo alam kung kailan ka
Mhm.
kailan na yung boss mo pwede kang
Fired out.
fired ganyan or like hindi na tayo nasa ano na tayo nasa future na tayo lahat digital na eh. Hindi mo
Exactly.
alam kung kailan ka mawawalan
That's
trabaho.
possible. Yeah.
Oo, kaya hindi possible
You
talaga.
are so right. You are so right.
Kasi ngayon, kahit sa ibang state nga, di ba, yung mga,
Yeah.
nagpunta ako ng Minneapolis, yung nag-serve sa amin, robot na.
Mhm.
Tapos pag-order ka, robot na yung magdala. Sabi ko, wow, by the 2030,
Sama ng tingin mo sa robot, ano?
hindi naman, kasi
Sama ang
diba,
tingin mo sa robot mo. Ikaw ba yung magre-replace sa amin someday?
hindi natin alam, di ba?
Yes.
At
It
ano
will
na,
happen.
No,
Actually,
alam natin. Actually,
alam
there's already a research.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. That's the motorcycle outside. There's already a research going on that they are predicting that in 2030, like 10 trillion of the businesses will soar doing the digital business will soar in
yeah, tama.
2030. So
Alam mo,
it's
Jel,
good that we
dito,
are starting it now at 2025.
ito.
Ano sabihin, Pastora?
Pero alam mo, Jel, dito,
Hmm?
yung mga yumayaman katulad mo, mga baganyang edad, kasi they do in the digital world. Ang gagaling talaga nila sa digital talaga.
Oo,
Meron katulad
meron
ng
nga ako doon
yung mga milyonaryo na, kasi nga, they do the
Hindi,
digital. Hindi na talaga sila, hindi
Oo.
nagbi-business.
Yes.
Magugulat ka, ang babata po. Dito talaga, ating lahat. Nagulat ka. Kasi naka-join sila sa digital. Hindi umaalis
Yeah.
ng bahay.
Oo.
Nasa
Exactly.
computer, nasa ano. Ang yayaman.
Oo.
Milyonaryo po talaga.
Imagine, we have in the community, no, Pastora Viv, she's just 23 years old, 23 years
Tama,
old.
tama.
And she's a millionaire. We have that Coach Karil. Actually, lagi kong inaano yung mga ano nun eh, yung mga achievements. Coach Karil, Ate Gladys, she is the youngest
Yeah.
coach in the community and she's, wow, grabe yung ano
She's
niya.
Ilonggo to,
Dito
right?
rin po dito. Ang dami. Mga
Napakinggan ko
bata.
nga yung ano niya eh.
Grabe po.
Yeah, you're right. So,
Pastora, ano nga
ang
yung
ibig
tawag?
sabihin ni Angel is we are in the right business because
Correct.
itong business is here to stay.
Tama.
2030, 2040, 2050, mawala na tayo, nandito pa ito because papunta na nga
Oo.
tayo sa digital
Tama.
transformation era. So ang sinong nakasabi kanina si mompreneur na this business is generational wealth, meaning maipamana sa anak, sa apo. Kung ayaw ko na, bibigay ko na to sa anak ko. It's here to stay.
Yep.
Okay. Thank
So-
you. So, I think it's my
meron
time.
meron akong
Meron pa
sabihin
ba akong
yata.
time? Pastora Bev?
Gladys na.
Meron pa.
Oh, may sasabihin ka pa pala.
Hindi, sasabihin ko lang
Sabihin ka
sana
pala,
kasi,
Bel.
diba, yung iba dyan,
Sige.
nagtatrabaho ng 2 to 3 job, at saka yung kakayod ng sobra, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka papalitan ng boss mo. Ay, kung
Correct.
magkasakit ka
That's
dyan, diba? Pwede ka lang palitan agad-agad. Yung boss mo, makakita ng bago. Ikaw, magsasuffer ka kasi tinodo mo yung katawan mo sa trabaho. Patay na patay ka sa trabaho. Yun lang.
But it will never be yours. Kasi
Yeah, it
hindi
will never
sila-
be yours. Hindi ka yung sarili mong boss. Magtatrabaho ka habang
But
tumanda.
this one is for you.
You're
And
right.
for the future of your kids.
So,
yeah.
So,
Yun
ang
na.
catch doon ang dami mong na-i-offer na wisdom ngayon, Angel. So, ang catch doon sa sinabi ni Angel is that mayroong pang nag-earn ng income. Maliban sa nagtatrabaho siya physically, nag-earn sa income by working physically, there is something, this online business on the side na running nag-earn din siya ng income.
Oo.
So, just in case ma-replace siya, ma-lose niya itong physical work niya ngayon na nag-earn ng income sa kanya, mayroon pa siyang passive income, which is one of my benefit that I was
Tama.
about to tell you guys. So, yun na nga, itong online business is a passive income, meaning to say na pwede siyang mag-earn sa'yo habang natutulog ka. Hindi ka nagwo-work, hindi ka nagta-time in, hindi ka nagka-clock out, but it's earning for you. Alam mo yun, guys? So, meron lang akong tatlo siguro. It gives us flexibility and autonomy. Ibig sabihin, flexible nga, yun na nga, yung pwede kang pumunta kung saan, ang schedule mo, pwede mong gawin sa gabi, bisitahin sa araw, bisitahin sa tanghali, or sa break time mo if you are working, in my case, or minsan nag-aano lang ako ng 1 hour sa gabi. And of course, yung autonomy nga, kasi you're the boss. Ikaw yung boss nito. Nobody will fire you. Ikaw, 'di ba? Walang magfa-fire sa iyo because ikaw ang boss nito. You can work in your own terms, in your own time. And dahil nakaka-excite siya, minsan nakaka-indulge ka doon ng more than 1 hour kung ano mo gusto. And of course, like any other business, yung effort na binibigay mo, yun din ang ibabalik sa iyo, 'di ba? But then once na set up ka na sa itong business na ito, it's there. Nandyan na yan siya. I'm telling you guys. So, di ba, napakaganda. Ano pang gusto mo? And then, yung reach at saka scalability nito, yung ceiling nito is limitless, guys. Ang possibility nito, like sinabi ni Pastora kanina, yung mga kabataan na nag-engage sa online business, mga milyonaryo na. Kasi nga exponential nga ang ano dito, ang income nito. And ang reach nito is worldwide. Saan ba? Kahit nga siguro doon sa Mongolia, alam mo, one time nanonood ako ng parang ano tawag to, parang discovery or documentary. Nasa Mongolia, naka-online. Can you imagine that? So, ibig sabihin, wala nang hindi nare-reach ang online world ngayon. Worldwide na talaga ang internet. So, someday nga, ito na lang siguro ang maiiwan sa negosyo worldwide. Kasi, yung mga tao, hindi na pupunta doon. Ba't pa ako pupunta doon? Diba? Mag-order ka ng grocery, cellphone lang. Papahatid mo, cellphone lang. So, everything now works in the online. And then, of course, yung financial benefit. Everybody wants freedom, yung time. So, we are chasing time. Because yun na nga, ang time hindi na yung mabalik once lumampas na. But of course, we can only reach that if we have financial capacity. Diba? And of course, yung mga puso natin na gustong magtulong, gustong maging generous, we can only do that if we have more. Because we cannot give what we don't have. So, punuin muna natin yung ating kamay so that ma-extend natin sa iba. And of course, yun nasabi ko kanina. So like for me as a nurse, shout out dyan sa lahat ng mga nurses. Hello guys, okay pa ba kayo? Na-inspire pa ba kayo dyan? Kunting tis-tis lang dyan sa ating mga patients at sa ating mga co-workers. Hello. Let us be the light. If there's no light, be the sunshine kung puro snow ang ating kapaligiran. Okay? But I love my mga kapwa nurses. So, I know yung struggle
Ate
natin,
Gladys,
natin.
sabi sa survey, Ate Gladys, sabi sa survey, yung mga nurse lang daw hindi pwedeng kayang i-AI. Kasi iba rin yung tender loving care nyo. Kaya pero yung sa industry ni Angel, talagang malaking posibilidad eh. Pero sa sa medical care, sa mga ayaw, di raw masyadong malayo pa raw, long way yung mga sa mga medical field, Pero totoo yun sa hospitality, sa industry ni Angel, dangerous. Nakakatakot eh. Pag mag-malfunction ng robot, mamamatay ka. Kaya,
but we have a doctor. We have a doctor robot. I don't know, is it wrong to tell? Oh, I don't
Pero
know.
ano lang po yun, ma'am,
No, no, no.
consultation lang.
Ano siya
Pero hindi pa rin po yan irreplaceable. Mahirap
sa
po
ano
eh.
yata?
I think sa medical field mahirap.
Oo.
Mag,
Oo, hindi.
mahirap.
Oo, yung ano yun, yung robot yung ano yun, yung nagsu-surgery. Actually, hindi talaga tao na doktor, pero ino-operate pa rin siya ng doktor. Alam mo yun, parang
Oo.
kamay
At
lang
tawag doon po doon,
na
equipment. Ano?
nagagawa ng surgery.
Na-upgrade lang yung, na-upgrade
Equipment
lang yung
siya.
equipment.
Oo, pero parang
Oo.
robot, pero
Correct.
ino-operate siya talaga ng tao na doktor.
Ayun.
Kasi yung decision
Napanood ko
iba pa
yun,
rin.
yung documentary na yun. Pero hindi pa rin doktor, may doktor pa rin po yun behind. Kaya po mahirap
Oo.
talaga eh. Sa
May
medical
doktor pa
field,
din
medyo
na
malayo pa
nag-ooperate.
siguro.
Yeah.
Pero since konti lang naman yung
Oo.
percentage
Hindi niya
nyo,
ma-replace.
ilang percentage yung digital,
Oo nga.
napakalaki pa rin ng field talaga pag di mo to pinasok. Parang mahirap pa rin.
Nahirapan. Mm.
Totoo.
Pero grabe na yung
Totoo.
AI
Ang sa mga nurses siguro dahil
Ay,
dahil
ba?
siguro sa stress. So ang nurses, I still highly recommend this na would magsa-side hustle. This is a perfect side hustle for nurses and doctors. Yung mga taong nag-work sa
Sa
healthcare
healthcare.
because pag na-stress ka, may choice ka na hindi mo itudo-todo yung oras at yung katawan mo because you know that meron ka pang extra na side hustle na if kung gusto mo i-full-time, doon ka na lang and you don't really have to undergo the stress. Kasi nga stressful nga ito. Ito lang talaga ang problema sa healthcare. Kasi nga you're dealing with sick people, hurting people. So, yun na. At yun, of course, sinabi na rin kanina yung personal growth and development. Yung talaga ang nakaka-inspire sa akin dito. Yung mga trainings, yung mga nadi-discover ko dito na gold mine, tinatawag ko na gold mine, is yung mga trainings dito na hindi ko napag-aralan noon. And ngayon ko lang siya, it opened my mind, it opened my eyes on money and income. Because totally different yung mindset ko noon about money and income. And ito parang na-open yung aking mga mata. And of course, yung mga opportunities, yung lifestyle, kasi magkakaroon ka na ng work balance, yung work-life balance, yung magkakaroon ka na ng enjoyment because you know na kang hindi ka na nag-iisip na, oh my God, kailangan kong mag-overtime because magre-retire na ako. You know, while you are preparing for retirement, may nagwo-work na on the background para pangdagdag ng income mo. And by the time na magre-retire ka, hindi ka mag-i-stress, hindi ka magwo-worry because alam mo na meron ka ng na-establish na business na hindi magdi-demand ng oras at ng katawan. 'Di ba? And this is the online. So, I think yun lahat. And ang pinakamaganda nito, ma-leverage natin yung lifestyle natin at nandyan lang yung ating tool ang tool ng business na to is we don't have to set up the physical office, the manpower na babayaran natin, alam mo yon, people na magpapatakbo ng negosyo, magbabayad ng kuryente, magbabayad ng space. Ang business na ito is nandyan lang sa mga daliri natin, sa kamay natin, yung cellphone natin, yung iPad natin, 'di ba? Nag-i-scroll ka lang, pwede kang mag-i-income. And of course, yung mga tao na namimit natin dito are amazing people with different mindset na nakaka-respeto, nakakataas ng alam mo yun, ng moral of the support and the encouragement talaga. By the time ako aminin ko minsan tinatamad ako. But grabe ang sigasig ng mentor. Yun lang masasabi ko. So,
May konting parinig na konti lang.
Dagdag.
Actually, gusto kong suportahan Ate Gladys yung sinabi mo kasi I'm a minister. Nag-minister kami ng asawa ko sa mga OFW for more than 15 years, no? 15 years kami.
Wow.
Alam niyo, totoo po yan. Yung iba ayaw umuwi. Pagod na pagod, matanda na, nangangatog na. Diyos ko. Talaga sabi ko, Lord, mapapaano ka talaga, Lord. Kawawa
OFW.
naman ito. Pero sabi niya, kulang pa. Yung talagang, pag pastor ka pala, gano'n, ano, parang kada maghahatid ka sa ano, hanggang sa pinaalis na lang siya ng boss niya. Naiiyak ka na lang, tapos sabi niya, wala pa rin akong ipon. Hindi ko alam kung sinong mag-aalaga sa akin. Yung mga ganun, yung mga nagre-return. Sabi ko, oh Lord, ang tagal-tagal niyang nagtrabaho. Tapos, wala
Exactly.
talaga. Sabi ko, tapos syempre, tama po kayo, naubusan ka ng lakas eh. Yung
Mhm.
iba, yun ang dahilan sa mga OFW po dyan. Alam niyo po itong sinasabi ko. Hindi lang sa
Yes.
preaching ko to nang nangangatog ka na. Tapos gusto mo umuwi ng ganoon. May sakit ka na. Tapos pagdating mo, wala ka pa rin. Kaya nga dapat talaga, tama sabi ni Ate Gal, may naghahanap ka na ng ng digital business world na kahit nasa ano ka pa, nandiyan ka pa sa career mo, may ginagawa ka na. Kasi po, nakita na po namin yan. Tama yun eh, sabi ni Angel. Nakita rin po namin industry doon sa Singapore. Bigla na lang tinatanggal. Wala kang magagawa. Wala kang ano eh, uuwi ka. Minsan nagugulat na lang kami. Parang gano'n eh, Pastor, tulungan niyo po ako kasi po bigla akong pinauwi. Ganun yung mga eksena na para kang puso mo. Para sabi nga namin ng aking asawa si Pastor Juan, sabi niya, para ako nadudurog araw. Lagi-lagi. Kasi ano kay parang maaawa ka eh. Parang very unpredictable ang trabaho ng mga nag-OFW. Napakahirap na intindihan ko po yan. Tapos simpa, ang lakas mo, binibigay mo yan. Sabi niya, binigay mo na lahat. Ganon din siya. Pero sa amin talagang nagkaroon siya ng depression kasi binigay niya lahat ng trabaho niya. Tapos sa bandang huli, tinanggal siya. Kaya dinemote siya sa trabaho. Frustrated talaga. Sabi niya, binigay ko na lahat. Lahat. Parang ganyan, nag-multitasking ka. Trabaho ng 5. Sabi niya, trabaho ng 5 tao ginawa ko. Tapos in the end, sabi niya, hindi ko pa rin nakuha yung ano. So talagang the world is talaga sabi nga natin medyo very hard. We are
Unfair.
the hard world pero kaya kailangan mo wise tayo. I like the word na binagay na rin ni Ate Lee. We need to be wise. That's the truth. Pero yung wisdom that comes from God. No?
Exactly.
Kaya nga, be part of, sabi ko nga sa inyo, this one is, I prayed for this. Kaya nga, nung nag-join ako, nag-pray talaga ako, Lord, ano ba, isang add source of income. Yun lang naman yung add-on sa akin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko i-drop para sa ilan sa inyo dyan, hindi ko i-drop lahat ng mga ginagawa ko kasi hindi posible yun. But, kailangan may i-add ka talaga.
Oo,
May minumove forward ka sa buhay. Lalo na sa OFW na po, Ate Glad, sinabi ko sa iyo, nakaka-broken heart talaga minsan.
May share ako
Ako din.
about that, PB, i-connect ko lang dyan sa personal experience namin. Together with these testimonials kung paano ko pinasok yung digital business na to. My husband works for 12 years. Walang day off sa Qatar. Ginawa niya lahat yung mga daanan just to prepare for the FIFA. Kasi engineer, my husband is engineer. So, nung natapos na nila turnover yung project, gaano kasakit yung sasabihin na wala na siya sa trabaho, tanggal na siya sa project, matapos ma-turn over ang project. So,
very OFW yan.
Exactly. What happened next? Sinabi, nakatanggap kami ng letter na termination, right? So, binibigyan lang siya ng 1 month. He has a family. Plus, ang masaklap doon, PB, wala siyang day off that time. Wala, long hours working. Night duty for how many years?
Wow.
Then, night duty, tapos nagmo-morning duty rin minsan, nag-afternoon duty. Alam mo yun, nag-visit sa mga site. Ang masaklap doon, hindi binigay ang kanyang pinaghirapan. Right?
Wow.
Grabe, no?
And I really feel during that time, sabi ko, wow, ganun na yung na-distribute ng husband ko na hard work. Actually, iyon talaga yung mga factor kung bakit ko ginusto tong, yung parang itulak ko na yung sarili ko maging businesswoman kasi malayo to before sa description ko eh.
That's true.
I was very, very immature handling money. I admit that. Of course, lalo na yung hindi ako mahilig mag-budget. Mahina talaga ako doon. I am not good in math. Parang kung bagagay. Tanungin mo ako kung magkano to, parang lagi kong nakakalimutan. So I was not that kind of wife na yung alam mo ba yung pagbabudget, siya actually yung medyo may ganon. So when that very uncertain things happened, doon ko natutunan kung tayo pala ay nagtatrabaho lang at hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng mga plan B, hindi actually we have a savings. Ginamit namin sa pagpunta ng Amerika, right? So hindi pa rin siya plan B, savings lang 'yan. Money lang mauubos. Then nangyari nga, naubos kasi we spend money dahil kailangan namin mag-travel. So ang natutunan ko during that time, kung magtatrabaho pa rin ako, I trade my time sa kids ko. Then what if mangyari ulit? Mangyari ulit yung ganun nangyari. Nakakatrauma kaya. 12 years, how much that he should be receiving? Nasa 3M, I guess, sa pesos. So that's not easy. Hindi madaling tanggapin yun. Future ng mga anak namin yun, right? So I was really heartbroken, disappointed. But the thing is, kung mananatili akong
God is
magmukmok,
good. You
Yes.
found.
kung mananatili akong magmukmok, mag-isip, I mean, ma-depress, kasi kahit anong gawin ko pa, ayaw na nilang magbayad eh. I mean, paano ako? Hindi ako mag-move on. So, ang nangyari sa digital business na to, that's why I really, really appreciate it kasi it's really a huge blessing for me. Aside from the time na lagi kong chine-chase before, sa financial freedom namin, unti-unti na naming nababayaran, nasisettle yung mga kailangan isettle, unti-unti na naming napaplan ko ano yung magiging future. Tama yung mga sinabi nyo, limitless ang income dito. Limitless. Kasi
Okay.
even this day, like let's say for example, today, I'm expecting 3 envelopes again. Eh di ba, kakaano ko lang last week. You know, parang minsan sasabihin ko pala, ano to, ganyan. Hindi mo na siya maintindihan kung saan siya nanggagaling. So, but I really praise God. Kung ano man yung nawala sa amin at hindi binigay, I thank God na binabalik niya ngayon by having this digital business. So, yeah, ang sarap niyang i-share. Ang sarap niyang i-share dahil it's a testimony for me.
Yeah.
Being an OFW.
Salamat. Yes. Yes, 'di ba? Babalik sa iyo. Wow, that was exciting. So, I think information overload, but kung may mga question kayo guys, feel free to leave a comment and open our website, yung www. Yan ang mga website namin, and guys, it's free. Okay? So, open that, click that, and you can see the details of this business. And maraming salamat sa inyong sa pagkakataon na binigay nyo sa amin to listen and watch. And closing word, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo that sino ka man, saan ka man, ano man ang iyong ginagawa, you have the power to create the life you want. Do not let anyone or anything hold you back, na discourage ka man, o anong bang ang problemang meron ka or feeling mo yan ang naghihinder sa'yo para i-pursue mo yung dreams mo. Guys, do not let anxiety or fear hold you back. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Dahil nga, ang sabi ng word ni God sa Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. So, kasama nito guys, ang aming pag-dive into this business is prayer. So, that's why we are inviting you to take the first step towards achieving your financial and time freedom. Hindi mo masamang mangarap, pero ang masama is nangarap ka lang. So, balik ka na lang higa at matulog. You have to wake up, take action. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your request to God. Have a blessed life ahead and leave us a comment or check our website. God bless you all, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye everyone! Bye-bye! God bless po!
God bless you.